Today we'll get how to make a workflow for our website in Automa. Firstly, we'll need to here a active tab because we want to perform some action on an active tab. It's a current tab. We'll connect it with the workflow. As we know, presence of search bar target this by form activity. Connect with the workflow after active tab. Edit its attribute by click on edit button. Now you'll select here select an element. Then you'll set here a search bar. Select here and then press on select element. Then we'll paste click on a button and then he will write a query which we want to search on a search bar like a iSearch. We'll paste here a click activity because we want to click on a find button. Connect with the workflow and edit its attribute. Select here an element. After selection of element, we'll paste here its attribute which we have been copied and then save it. Now it's time to test it. As you know, it's successfully run. Eventually we'll increase the complexity of our workflow